Hi there, I'm Isaac from Mindflight7. Today I'm going to show you guys how to use a drum machine to create a simple drum groove in SOUNDSTAGE VR. When you launch SOUNDSTAGE, you'll start in this template. Open up the menu by pressing either A or X on your controllers and then using the trigger button to select Settings, New. Now you should have a blank template. The first thing you're going to need is a drum machine. So head back into your menu with A or X and find and select drum machine and press the trigger button. If you hold the trigger button on the top portion of your drum machine, you are able to drag it around. You can also use the joystick to move around within the scene, and you may place it wherever you like. The next thing we're going to need from the menu is tapes. So find them and drag them next to your drum machine. Here, you should have a library of sounds attached with the program that you can use as samples for the drum machine to trigger. You can see on the right that the drum machine is on because it is moving. You can pause it here with the playback button, adjust the speed of the playback here by pulling it forwards and back, and adjust the swing between the notes. So, I'm going to go into the 808 kit on the tapes and find a kick. Here you can listen by hovering into the sound. If you drag this bar up and down on the right here, you can scroll through the menu. Once you've found a sound you like, simply drag it into one of the channels on the drum machine. Now we have our kick, and we can come over here and draw in notes. The drum machine is in a count of 4/4 right now. So we're ensuring there are multiples of 4, say 8 individual notes in a bar, which loops. Over here, you can add more channels or lengthen the loop by dragging this dark box. Now that we've placed in our kick pattern, we move on to the snare. Find a snare, drag it in, and give it a listen. Play around with the swing, the timing, the placement and arrangement, even the sounds you use. You can head over into the settings, and on the left you'll see it says 120, this is the tempo. You can speed it up to 200 or down to 50 to find the perfect tempo for your rhythm. And here you can change the volume of the metronome. That's pretty much it for drum machines. Later we'll get into how you can record this or add new instruments. Here's some examples of drums I've made on SOUNDSTAGE.